Hello, world of YouTube. How are ya? I'm so tired, but I'm bored. And being tired and bored is not necessarily a good combination. What song was I gonna sing? I could do either of the ones I was gonna sing. I could do both. I'll just probably make another video for the other song. But I'm going to sing, shoot. It's a song from the Disney Pocahontas. Colors of the Wind. Yeah, Colors of the Wind. I was gonna say, you think I'm an ignorant savage, but that's the first line. I'm doing it without music, so here we go. You think I'm an ignorant savage, and you've been so many places, I guess that must be so. But still I cannot see if the savage one is me. How can there be so much that you don't know? You don't know. You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew. Have you ever heard a cry to the blue corn moon? Or has the green bucket like spin? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you. And for once, never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends. And we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a hoop that never ends. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon? Or has the getting back the lightning grin? We need to sing with all the voices of the mountain. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can